Deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans. So well, but he could play the guitar just like a ring in a bell. Go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Go, Johnny, go, go! Johnny, be good. I have a video made already about the famous riff of Johnny Be Good, and in this video we'll talk about what he's playing while he's singing actually. And this is so much fun to do because it's so fast and it has so much energy in it, and I love it. And the cool thing about it is it's not that hard because it's kind of like based on power chords and stuff. So let's dig into it with Johnny Be Good, the chords, as I might say. We start with the B power chord, or B flat, sorry, which you would find on the 6th fret on the E string with the index, and the ring finger goes to the 8th fret on the A string, so the two lowest strings you got here. And you play 4 times down, but after you play 2 times down, you put your pinky into the 10th fret on the A string. And then up again. And this is the whole thing actually for the first chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So everything played with downstrokes again, okay? As I said in the previous video, when you play the riff, the energy of the song suits best with downstrokes. So down, 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 and so on. Take a close look when the pinky goes down. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 3rd downstroke of the pattern, the pinky goes down into the 10th fret, and on the other hits you have just the power chord. After you did that 8 times, the whole thing, you go just 1 string into that direction, index in the 6th fret of the A string, ring finger in the 8th fret of the D string, and you do the same thing with the pinky. You go to the 10th fret of the D string. After you did that 4 times, you go back to, this was an E flat chord, and then you go back to the B flat for 4 times. And then you go 2 frets up and 1 string pair down again. So we have 8th fret A string with the index and 10th fret D string. The pinky then goes to the 12th fret of the D string when it's ready. This is the F chord. For 4 times again, and then we go back to the B flat. 4 times. Okay, let's do this slowly together. Just make sure you know where to go. B flat, E flat, back to B flat. Then F and B flat. Okay, 8 times B flat. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the E flat for 4 times. 2, 3, 4 and B flat. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and to the F. 2, 3, 4. Back to B for 4 times. I kind of like hum the melody for it so you get the idea where we are. This actually was my best humming I could do. Some people might call it whistling. After you did that whole blues chorus part, we go to this very cool lick. We slide with our middle and our index finger from the 9th and 8th fret on the G and B string to the 10th and 9th fret. Take a look. 9, 8, and then you slide into 10 and 9th fret. You hit the strings 4 times, and then for the 5th time you bring down your ring finger in the 11th fret on the B string, while the middle finger is still in the 10th fret of the G string. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Before Johnny Be Good comes, you play index finger, 8th fret, G and B string. Johnny be good, 2, 3, 4, a little bit faster, and go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Johnny be good. And then we got another verse. Let's be a bit faster. E flat. 4 times the riff. B flat. And to the F 4 times. And B flat again. Go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Johnny be good. And then, after we played that 2 times, the whole thing, verse with our pretty cool chorus lick here, when we did the whole thing 2 times, we get into kind of like the bridge or solo part where it's like, you get the idea? This is pretty fun and pretty fast. So we start again like we did in the very opening lick with a slide from the 6th to the 7th fret on the G string with the middle finger, and then 6, 8 on the B string. And then 5 times on the B and E string. And you start out with a slide from the 5th to the 6th string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we got a pretty cool lick. 8th fret on the G and B string with the ring and pinky. And the index waits in the 6th fret. And the middle finger plays a hammer-on to the 7th fret on the G string. And then the ring finger goes to the 8th fret on the D string. you did that once, you only do again without the pickup line. Okay? So until there. Again. And then we only have the double stop here on the 6th fret. You can slide into it if you want to. And then 8, 6. The same thing, but just without any, so the whole thing till there. And then I have a nice little lick. I like to play there. Chuck Berry plays everything a little bit different every time he plays it. If you listen to one recording, then to a live recording, it's always a little bit different. I like to play it like this there. Pinky in the 9th fret on the E string, and the ring finger goes to the 8th fret on the B string, and I'm doing bending up with the B string, with the ring finger. That way I create a pretty nice chord there. So it's that's about it. After that, you go kind of like into solo lines. You can play the G minor pentatonic. Or the B minor pentatonic. Can mix it with a blue note there. It's all about not fancy licks, like playing shredded stuff or something like this. Just play easy things. I mean, he plays stuff like... He kind of like repeats what we did in the very opening intro riff, like those bendings here. Kind of like combines those licks you played in the intro lick. So when you play the intro riff, when you learn that, you will kind of get a feeling for what you can play when you're playing a solo. Don't be too complicated, just do some nice bends. Or just orientate yourself with the stuff you already learned that's kind of like fixed when you play the solo. So have a lot of fun with this. I know this is kind of like for advanced players, especially when you're going to the same speed as the original recording, can be quite challenging. This will take some time, especially with just playing this with downstrokes. I hope you learned a lot in this video. I'm happy that you stayed until the very end, because I want to I want to remind you, of course, of the first part of this video series, so you learn how to play the famous intro riff of the song. And I want to remind you of my free lessons, which you find in the video description. If you have any trouble with this video or any other guitar stuff, it might be because there's a lack of basics that you will find in my free lessons. So make sure to check them out, no matter if you're playing an electric or an acoustic. A lot of fun there. And as the name of those lessons say, it's free. So make sure to check them out. My name is Hannes. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.